Right. So today we'll take up variation. Okay. Variation is going to be one of the most interesting topics, super, super simple, and you can get wacky questions, right? So you can get a graph question, you can get tabular question, you can get a word problem, you can get simple algebra question, right? So all the types can be asked. And they will not directly say that, hey, it's a variation question. You will have to read the concept and practice as many questions as possible to be able to master this technique, right? So what we will do is today we will complete this handout, and I'll see if we have time. I will move to the previous handout, sixth handout, okay? And we can maybe like practice one or two questions that we couldn't last class.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay. So variation, let's just focus upon the, I have already put the write-up over here, okay? So we can discuss, right? Let's see. Only this much write-up is required, nothing else. Nothing else, absolutely. What do we have? One is why. One, we have direct variation. Okay. So direct variation, first is that suppose, you know, let's say your results is better, right? So you have more chances of getting applied to good colleges, right? So if the results are high, the success rate will also be high, right? That is called direct variations. Both are actually related to each other, okay? Y varies directly as X, that one increases, the other one also increases, not decreases, okay? Direct relation. So we say in mathematical language that Y is directly proportional to X, okay? And the mathematical relationship is Y is equal to Kx. See, to maintain the equality, right, we have Y is equal to Kx, okay? So if Kx increases, right, over here, if X increases, Y also increases. Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, that is why it is, in this format. So I've seen students often commit mistake in terms of, getting the equation right. So there are few students who have, who write Y over X, right? Or YX. So some or the other mistake is there. Y over X is equal to K. All right. Please remember this. That is a constant. So K is equal to Y over X. Okay. That we say as a constant of proportionality also. Okay. This K is actually mentioned as constant of proportionality. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I want to draw a line, suppose I have Y is equal to 2X, right? How would I draw it? It's going to be a straight line from the origin, correct? Y is equal to 2X. All right. That's it. That's it for variation. Now you can get, as I have mentioned earlier, you can get a graph question. Graph question also, it needs to be like, a straight line from the origin. Okay. So the moment you see a straight line from the origin, your mind should head towards a direct variation section. You can have a tabular question. Okay. See, this is a tabular question. You have to observe the relationship between X and Y. I have one entire section kept for table questions today. 4 questions we have, particularly that I will solve with you. Okay. So it is in table format. You will get a very good understanding of how to solve it in your exam also. Now, one thing what I keep on saying is that you are not supposed to solve mathematics questions in the form of how you used to solve in school, like one page or just keep writing the steps, add the steps. Don't do that. Learn this habit of cutting down your steps. All right. Please cut down on your steps and make sure that the relationship is very clearly established. The shortcut is implemented well. Okay. That is very, very important. So yeah, graph questions, you can get your table questions, as I have mentioned. What else? You can definitely get a word problem, right? In the form of modeling question. Real life scenario, they will ask you, right? How they will ask real life scenario that, let's say Siddham has appeared for his SAT exam and he secured a 1540 and he got more acceptance from his desired schools. So what is the relation? Or find the constant of proportionality, something like that, right? A real life scenario in the form of a question that is nothing but direct variation question. Got it? You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to understand the relationship between the two variable. My first variable is Siddham scores. Second variable is the acceptance rate, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if both are going together, right, in the same direction, you have to apply direct variation. Okay. Then last type of questions you will get is basic algebra. Basic algebra, right? I'll show you what type of question. See question 23. Question 23, this one. See, I have my relationship established already. Y is equal to kx, right?
Ma'am.
Clear? So the moment you see y is equal to kx, they will put it in the question, or they might also keep it in this format. K is equal to x, y over x. So the moment you see these two relationship or any one of it, your mind should head towards direct variation. Okay. Now try to solve this question, please. Now, these type of questions are literally 5 seconds question. So you shouldn't spend too much time. Most of it you should be able to solve mentally only. Cut down on the time. Yes, correct. See, one technique I will discuss right now, how to solve this type of question. So we have y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 8, right? And the question is stating when x is equal to 24, what is y? Correct? So I have multiple ways of solving it. Like, see, I wanted to solve within like 5 seconds. How to solve within 5 seconds? See, I know that it is a direct relationship, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
already have established it in my mind. Check. Now, 8 times 3 it is. So that is what it is going to be. 5 times 3, 15 immediately. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy? We can solve it under 5 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have seen students actually like write almost half a page to solve this question. So don't do that. Okay, it's not school exam. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I can also solve using constant of proportionality. Okay, constant of proportionality. What was that? Quick.
K.
K is equal to
5 by 8.
y by x. Okay, now if I have k is equal to y by x, right? What do I have? Y by x is 5 over 8, right? This has to be same. 24, y is x. Can I equate both the constant proportionality?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That's how also you get your answer. Done. Okay. Yeah, use this method and you're good to go. Direct variation is clear? Yeah. Okay, let's take direct variation questions. After that, I'll come to indirect questions. Okay. Do one thing, solve from question 1 to question 7. Question 1 to question 7. All right, come on. So we will take 7 questions, right? If we are going to take like maybe a minute for one question, let's just focus on accuracy first. Okay, 1 minute per question. So total like 7 minutes. Buffer, let's take 7.5 minutes. Good? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Time right now is 4:44 p.m. 4:45, let's say. Yeah. Yeah. Try to solve by 5:52. Or take 5:53 p.m. Come on. Let's go. Chop. All right. Let's go. Question 1.
1.5. 37.5.
37.5.
Yes.
Okay, good. Same process, right? So in the question, they have directly stated that it is directly proportional, right? So whatever it is, whatever we are multiplying by, right? you can actually multiply the same, or you can just take, y by 12.5 is equal to 5. That is, x is 5, 5 by 15. Okay, 1 by 3. Got it? Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Question 2.
600.
Question 2 is 600. Yeah? Same process, absolutely same process. 10 by 20 is equal to 300 by x. Okay, you'll get your answer as 600. Option D. Good, very good. Next, question 3.
B option.
Correct, absolutely. Absolutely, it is option B, 17 by 48. Very good. Question 4, diagram question, see?
I could not figure this one out.
Right. So over here, they have actually not stated directly. If anyone will solve this question, they will feel that, hey, it is a similar triangle property question. But you know what? In a way, similar triangle is also direct proportion, right? Correct? So over here, like we are in similar triangles, when we'll take up triangle exercise, we will know that we are actually equating the ratios together, right? That is also a constant of proportionality, right? Here also we are going to take the same thing. What is our equation? AB is what? AB is, what is AB? 5, 12, 13, right? Right angle, Pythagoras theorem.
Okay.
Correct? Yes. Yeah. Now what we are going to do, we are going to set it up, right? We need to find DF. So I'll take what? DF. Let me see. If we can put 13 by 18. This is 13, right? 13 by 18 is equal to, what do we have? 5 by x. Can we do that? Yeah.
It's C. No.
So what?
Is it C? 19, 90
Yes, absolutely it's C. Okay. Good. Question 5.
10.
10, no. Again, same. So x by y over here, right? I will take what? 1 by a is equal to a by 5a. Got it?
Yes.
Right? Or you can take y by x also. Same thing you'll be getting. Constant of proportionality, you are equating a by 1 is equal to 5a over a. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So my answer is 5. Clear? A is equal to 5. A will cancel out, 1a will cancel out, and the other a is equal to 5. Easy?
Yes.
All these are not difficult questions at all. It may look tricky, but it's super duper easy. Okay? Come on. One diagram based question.
It passes through division.
See, over here, what do I have? A direct proportion, right? So can I directly mark C?
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's the easiest lot what you can get.
Yes.
It's okay. By the way, I was thinking next mock, I would want to give everyone a benefit to secure high score. So I'll keep the mock slightly easier. Okay. Because DSAT will be a paper that will test you. It's going to be an adaptive test that will test your ability. If your first section is easier, the next section, maths next section, they will ask more difficult questions, harder questions, right?
Yes.
So you should be able to adapt to all scenarios, easy, medium, difficult set. Got
Yes.
it? That is the reason it's imperative for you to get a high score in all the categories. Easy question set, difficult, medium. Yesterday's mock, I was not happy with the scores really, right? I intentionally set a super difficult paper. And, as we can see, we know the marks, right? It's not very good. We can definitely try to improve it in the next mock. I'll set an easy to medium paper. Okay, come on, let's continue. 7. What is it? What?
C cat.
Cat, yeah, because it has to be from the origin, okay?
Yes.
So many students actually, they think that, hey, it always has to be y is proportional to x, right? So it has to be in that format. No, it can be in any format. Y is proportional to x square, always from the origin, okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now let's move on to our indirect variation, right? What is indirect? Let's understand the theory first. Indirect variation, it's like price of let's say
Supply and
what?
supply and price.
Not supply, demand. Okay, let's say if I take price of ice cream, right? It's rainy season, or maybe, yeah, okay, fine, we'll continue with ice cream. Price of ice cream has increased, right? So the demand for ice cream will decrease, correct? Anything that will go in the opposite direction, right? If let's say more people are working in the same job, so that job is likely to be completed faster, right? Okay, so if on a project I have 5 people, right, and I increase it to 10 people, that project will be completed faster. Okay, so time, again, time and speed, inverse relation, whatever, two variables where they go in opposite direction, it's inverse variation concept. Okay, now y varies inversely as x, can I say that? Yeah. Technical term, no, I say inversely proportional. Y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, mathematically this is. Now see, when I was actually talking about it, right, see over here, for direct variation, my equation is y is equal to kx. But for indirect, see, if one is going to increase, right, if I will say this is increasing, right, the other one will decrease. Got it? It's inverse. Over here, if this is increasing, this is also increasing. Please understand the difference very clearly. Okay? Right? So my equation is y is equal to k over x, and my constant of proportionality is xy. Okay? Right? Now I have my typical example as this. Exponential curves, right? Hyperbole. This is hyperbole, but you don't have to like learn hyperbole because it's not a part of your SAT curriculum. But you might have studied it in your school, right? Parabola, ellipse, hyperbole.
Yes, ma'am.
That comes under this only, but on the SAT, you will have this type of questions under exponential growth and decay. That comes under non-linear system of equations. Okay. So yeah, suppose I have y is equal to 12 over x, right? So that is my graph. And if you have a table, you should be able to calculate. It's easier to take up the constant of proportionality, right? And find the value of this thing. So what is constant of proportionality? Basically, your xy, right? See, xy
Yes.
is constant. So you can take this multiplication. 12 times 1 is equal to 6 times 2 is equal to 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3. Okay? Everything will be equal in case of a table question.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple, that's it. Theory is officially done. It's completed for this handout. I'm not going to discuss any more theory. Now we'll just practice, okay? Let's target to complete 24 questions today, okay? All 24 questions, let's target. First, I want you to solve one question with me, 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. 5 seconds. 5, 5, 5. Come on. Good. Very good. Over here, my x is going from 3 to 6, right? Okay. So over here, 8 will go what? 8 to 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is multiplying by 2, my y will be dividing by 4. It's inverse.
Yes.
Multiply, divide, okay? So immediately, 8 by 2, 4. I did not even use my pen and paper, okay? Shortcut, strategy. Or you can just like, multiply it. So this is 8 times 3, 24. So this is 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Okay. Clear, no? Yeah. You understood? Like I have taken the constant of proportionality, x, y. Okay. Simple stuff. Yeah. Are we ready to solve few questions?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Come on. Now, full energy. Okay. Full energy. Question 8 till question 15. Right? We have total 8 questions. 8 questions. The time right now is 5:03. Okay. So 8 questions, like around 9 minutes tops.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Okay. So 5:12 p.m. I will exactly start discussing the answers. Quick, let's go. Okay, let's discuss the answers. We'll take question 8. Question 8. Let's go.
16.
16 is absolutely correct. See, this question is not directly stating that you have to solve using inverse variation.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to identify the relation, and that relation is not going to just be established in a jiffy, right, in your exam. It needs practice, right? 16 absolutely correct. 1 times 400 is equal to x times 1225. Okay, 16 16 is the answer. Question 9.
Option.
Correct. Same. Okay. 9 times 4. Okay.
Yes,
9 times 4 is equal to x times. Actually, indirect variation is much easier than direct variation because it does not involve like super. Because when we divide it, it becomes little tricky, right? Cross multiplying. Here, it becomes slightly easier. Okay. 10.
ma'am.
Yeah. By the way, 9 is A. Okay. X is 3. 10
Yeah.
is second option. Absolutely correct. Same. Multiply 5 times 45 is equal to x times 50.
Yes.
Clear? So I'll get 4.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Second option. Good. Table question. Let's go.
B option.
What is it?
The
Oh,
settlement.
correct. 4A, 3B, sorry, 8B. It's all the same, right?
Yes,
4A
ma'am.
is equal to 8B is equal to, you can take anything. Take 5 times 10, 50. So A I will be getting and B I'll get, right? Separate. A I'll be getting as 12.5 and I'll get B separate, 50 over 8. It's 6.25, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply. Whatever they are asking. They can ask A plus B, A minus B, A times B, A over B. Okay. My answer is this. Okay. 18.75. Come on. 12. D. Same process. 2 people, 10 days. 5 times X. X is 4. Right? We're getting a hang of it, right? This
Yes.
type of question set. 13.
B.
13 is again B, right? 10 times 20. Okay. Area is length times breadth anyway. So this is your x times 40. So 10 times 20 is equal to x times 40. X is 5. Okay.
Yes.
B. Very, very simple. Any other? 2 more left, right?
Yes.
Tell me, what is it?
For 14th, it's C.
Yeah, very good. pH hours is equal to nx, right? I need to find x. So it's pH over n, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay. 15.
It's C.
C is correct, okay? 5 times D, right?
Yes.
Equal to 2 times X. Okay?
Yes.
Now see, X is what? 5D over 2.
Yes.
See, they have put this as one of the option, but my question is what? 1/3.
Yes.
Okay? So times 1/3. My answer is this. C.
Yes.
Very good. You got it right. Amazing. Okay? 5D over 6. Clear, Siddham?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So that's it. Theory is done, right? Now we can just practice few more questions. What say?
Yes.
Yeah. Question 16. We have covered up until 15, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's take 16 till first, let's take 16 till 19.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. 16 till 19. Just tabular questions. Now it's like a mix. Okay. So yeah, not much time, like 3 minutes, 2, 3 minutes. Let's go. Do one thing, solve until 22. Okay, let's complete this handout.
ma'am.
Yeah.
22.
Yep.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Come on. Let's discuss the last set of questions. Yeah, 16.
B.
16 is B. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now, when it is saying directly proportion, right? You can just check any two values, right? Any two. Okay. It has to equal the division must be equal to a constant, right?
Yes,
Y
ma'am.
by X. That's the technique. Okay. Y by X is equal to Y by X, right? So if you check for all, you will be getting B for sure, right? 5 by 1 is equal to 10 by 2,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
5. Correct. Tabular questions are very common on the SAT. Now, see, this is a question where it is proportional to x square. Similar question we've taken, right, earlier. It is?
25.
Oh, no, 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 no. The question is x, not x square. X square is 25.
And then 5.
Yes. See, when it is y is directly proportional to x square, right? Okay.
Yes.
So this 18 over 3 will not take. 18 over 9 will take. 3 square. That's the trick, okay? You have to be little careful. 5 over x cube. Sorry, x square. Okay, so x square is equal to 25. X is equal to 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's this is a tricky question. 18. Let's go. 18 is super easy. Yeah. What is it?
Dog.
Correct. Yeah. It is A.
8 is A.
7.5, right?
Yeah, 27.5.
Yes, yes, yes. 7.5. You take this and you multiply it, okay? 37.5. Good. Good, good, good. 19.
C.
19 is C. Okay. Yeah, 19 is absolutely C because the question is talking about inverse proportion, right?
Yes.
So actually, what did we cover? That the y-x has to be same, right? So this
Yes.
is what? 1 and this is 8. It's not the same, okay? So I will keep hunting for other options where I'll be getting y-x is equal to same. If I will take B, right? B is what? 5 and over here B is 20. That's also not correct, okay?
Ma'am.
Has to be same. Then I move to C, right? So if I will take 54 times 2 and 36 times 3, okay, it is definitely going to give me equal set of answer, right? And if I check for D, I'll have 1 times 2, 2, and this is 6. 2 is not equal to 6, okay? So definitely C is my answer. Easy?
Yes, yes.
Come on, 20. 20 what is that? 20 is D, right?
Yes.
Correct. Again, same. I have, see over here, they have not provided you whether it's like the direct variation or an indirect variation, right? Whenever you get these type of questions, tabular questions, so two ways of solving it. One is you can find the slope, right? I have told you in the functions class also, right? Tabular questions, your mind should actually redirect to slope or direct indirect variation. Okay. So you can just, check over here. It is basically your y in terms of x. I just, have to plug in and I'll get my answer. Okay. D is my answer. Clear? Yeah. Super simple set. Any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay. Let's take up 21. 21.
A.
A, very good. Y is inversely proportional to x square. Okay, we have to focus upon x square part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be 4, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, like that we can solve. Definitely it is A, option A, 8 root 2. Cool. And last set of question is 22.
C.
C,
Yes.
yeah. Good, same process, right? Inversely is xy,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So 30 by 8. Immediately I'll be getting C. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, we are done with all the questions. All the 24 questions are done and dusted with, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I have promised that we can actually go back to our previous handout, right? Handout 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Handout 6, and we can, like, practice 1 or 2 questions. Handout 6, let's see. So I want to actually focus a little bit on the graph questions. Whatever we have not covered. Do one thing, let's target to solve from, yeah, the last section. Let's take up, okay? So
Could you like re-explain the topic, like not variation, this one, sixth, this handout 6, all that. Could you like give a brief about it before we start our questions? Because like,
Rishi, I've already discussed the theory, right, last time, and last class also you joined very late. So I have explained it again when you joined this entire functions theory. So, you can actually go through the notes, and if you have a doubt, you can always book a doubt solving class, right?
okay,
You should jot it down, whatever theory it is. It's not always that we always remember the theory. We have to jot it down so that we can revisit the concepts, okay? Because
okay,
I've already explained twice, and I want to focus upon the answers, right? The questions, as many questions as possible. Because we took approximately 8 to 9 theory, like small bite-sized concepts. We've taken a lot, right? If I start with that, easily 15 minutes will go, okay? So you can always book a doubt solving class if you have any doubt, and please jot down all the theory when ever we discuss it, okay? And join on time for sure, okay? Let's see, we can start with 40, okay? My target would, I think, few 2-3 questions we've covered already, right? We've covered 2-3 questions last time. So from 40 till 55, 15 questions we have, right? We have some time. So yeah, let's target like at least 12-13 questions, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
along the way also we can take up the theory part, Rishi, okay? Along the way. But I can't dedicate like only for theory. You can start solving, we'll discuss it. Let's take 4 questions at a time. Yeah, bite size. 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay. 40 to 43. Let's go. Good questions, guys. Let's try it out. Just input, output. That's it. All right, guys. Let's see. Question 40. What is
12.
12, right?
Uh-huh.
Correct. Super easy. Just input, output, right? Plug it in and you'll get your answer. It's absolutely 12. Okay. 41. 41 is a tricky question, I would say.
Mom, I didn't get 41.
D, right? Okay. It is D. Very
I
good.
didn't get 41.
Yes, yes. We're going to discuss it. Siddha, you're right. It's D. Absolutely right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So PXC, it's in thousands of dollars, right? It's given already in the question. It's thousands of dollars. And P is 90,000, right? 90,000 is earned in profit. But P is in thousands of dollars. So you will input 90,000, you will not get your answer. Instead, the only trick is to get 90 on the left-hand side. That is equal to, now you can just solve it as per the norm. Okay? You'll get your answer. You'll get as 80%. Clear?
Okay, yeah, got it.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. That's the only tricky part. 42.
D.
D. Okay. Yeah. Linear function, right? They have already stated linear function. Just get the slope, right? Slope is what? 7 minus 3. Okay. 4 is the slope. Can I say that? Always try to look at, x to be 1. Like the denominator, slope denominator is 1. So you can just like subtract y only. So where I have 4, here, done. Shortcut. Try to observe the question. you know, and try to solve it without using pen and paper. If at all you have to use pen and paper, so 4-5 steps tops. Okay. 43. Come on. Good question. Little bit exponents property is used.
Ma'am, A.
A, no. This is a tricky question. So f of 3x, right? So that I'll put 3x instead of x. So
Yes.
5 whole to the power 3x, right? Right. So what do I have? Can I just like separate this 1 to the power 1 divided by b to the power 5x whole to the power 3? So what do I get? Fx whole to the power 3.
So B, yeah.
Okay. Simple question, but yeah, they have actually used a very different language, right? SAT loves to confuse you, yeah? So mostly you have to definitely do hard work, but smart work is also required. Observation skills. Okay, to the point. Let's take 44. 4 questions, right? 44, 45, 46, 47. Right? Shall we? 44 to 47. Come on. Again, like 5-6 minutes. Try to observe the question. Try to cut down on your steps, please. 45 is even odd category. Come on. Even if we have solved it, let's solve it again. Oh, what do you say? Come on. Yeah, 44. Let's go.
5.
44 is 5. Beautiful. Everyone got 5, right?
Yeah, I got 5.
We have solved last class. Good. 45 also we have solved last class. Which one is it? Even or odd function? Quick. Even.
Yeah.
This is even, okay? Please remember that.
Yeah.
Even function
I
is
got A for this.
okay. A is correct. Absolutely, because 5x to the power 0. Even function, the powers, all the powers need to be 0 in a polynomial. Beautiful. A is the answer. 46. 8. Beautiful.
Ma'am, I didn't get this one.
Okay. 8 is correct. Let's see. A graph crosses.
Ma'am, one thing is,
Yeah.
do you take H of 1 as 0 or not?
Yeah. I'm going to explain that. See.
Okay, crosses the X. Okay, got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it.
It crosses the x-axis. Okay. That means y is equal to 0. All right.
Yeah, so I got it. I got it. Minus C is equal to minus 8. 8 is equal to C. Yeah.
Okay, answer is 8. You just plug in the value of 1 and 0 here, and you'll be getting the value of C immediately. This is just the difficult, like the tricky part. The trap zone is this, crosses the x-axis.
Yeah.
What is a y value? That's it. 47.
Ma'am, D.
We have covered this question as well, right? F of 1. So at 1, what do I have? Y is 1, right? So I'm just going to check it. I'll draw a vertical, horizontal line. And yeah, the only one that is less is f of 3. Okay. All right. Good. It was still 47 or 48?
47.
47
only?
7.
Okay, okay. Acha, these 48, 49 I've already covered. Do you want me to solve it? We can solve it together. Let's
Yeah,
no worries. The more the better. So 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay. Right. 51. Then last set we will take up until the last question. 48 to 51. Let's go. $48. Come on.
Ma'am, B.
B, right? Yeah. We can also get 0.2, but we are not supposed to mark that, right? Because this is a super high number. So my entire reciprocal will be tending to 0, correct? So if I just like solved it, r square s plus 1, and I'll take this r on the denominator, I'll get r square s, right? So if I split it, I will get 1 over 7.
Yeah.
1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 r square s. Now this second part, right, it actually is going to tend to 0, correct? So my answer is 1 over 7, okay? 1.4 or 1428.
Or something, yeah.
49. Good question.
C.
C, okay. Let's see. over here, I have a comma -2. Remember last class I have made it very, very clear that you should be able to take the coordinates and convert it into input-output category, right? You must do it this way. You'll be able to solve the questions much faster, okay? So f of a is equal to -2, right? I will look over here. This is what? F of 0, right, is equal to 2. Be very careful. Don't split it, okay? Or don't interchange.
Ma'am, f of, yeah, no way.
0, right? X
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. F of 0 is equal to 2.
yeah, f of 0. Siddham, clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, now this one is what? F of b is equal to y is 0. Be very careful because a lot of students commit silly errors. They interchange it. Okay? Even for this also they interchange. So it's very common. Now you will get the answer C. Okay? Using all the categories.
Yeah.
50 also we have
I
covered.
did not get 50, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let's take it together. What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, I have mentioned it last class. Actually, there is a printing error, this handout. So this is actually minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Oh, okay.
Corrected it last time also. Fx less than g, okay? Like, just let me write it again. F is less than g. So where is f less than g? Where g is greater? This section, no? Correct? This section and this section?
Yeah.
Now just have to just see, right? X is -3. -3 is going to be somewhere over here, so it's satisfying, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
It'll be
Next,
-3.
-3. B, C, D, everything is where F is greater. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Observe, observe. Everything is going to be comfortable. Achha, we have taken what? 48, 49, 50, 51. 51 was the last,
Even I
right?
got 2, ma'am.
2. Okay. How did you get 2?
Ma'am, there are 2 points that go on JK, so.
Okay. So I have what? 0, comma B, right? What
Yeah.
I will draw a horizontal line, guys. Okay, horizontal line 0, 3. How many times it is intersecting? Down question. 1, 2, 3. 3 is my answer.
No, ma'am, they said on JK, right?
Huh? How many values? How many?
Yeah, there are only 2
Not-
intersections between J and K.
No, over here, this is J, correct? And this is K.
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. 3 intersections. Okay. Between.
Okay.
Let's zoom in once. Okay. I think
Okay, ma'am.
the clarity is okay. Yeah, now we are being able to see the diagram clearly, okay? So let's just take J and this is K, okay? Now we are going to take a horizontal line, right? So it is cutting once, it's cutting twice, and it is cutting thrice, okay? Clear, no? 3 times. This question is actually very easy. Yeah, but actually it seems very tricky. So I would categorize it as a 760 level question. Any doubt? Super simple, right? Guys, come on.
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
We're gonna celebrate Sunday after the class. Get up, get up. This is 51 is fine, no? Yeah. Now make sure 52, 53, 54, 55 we cover at home, okay? And please send me the answers. Each one of you, send me all your classwork answers. All right, you can maintain an Excel and send it directly to support@clbs.co.in. Okay? And let me know if you have any doubt. I'm always there for you 24/7. Just if you have 1 or 2 questions, you can immediately ping on WhatsApp group, right? My team is going to be there to take care of it. Okay. And I will, of course, solve it for you if you have anything to ask, right? And Rishi, if you have any clarification with respect to a topic or, a
Yeah,
concept,
ma'am, I'm booking a doubt solving now.
book a doubt solving class immediately, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So
Thank
thank
you.
you so much for attending. I'm going to see you next class. Take care. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
ma'am.
Bye.